Hi there, students. To waylay. Okay, let's look at the origin to start. This comes from Old Dutch, wegelagen, which means to lie in wait on the road in order to rob or to kill people who pass by. So, Dick Turpin, who was a highwayman, waylaid travellers to ambush, to lie in wait and to attack and rob on their way, on the way. But this use is much less common nowadays, and we use waylay to mean to approach somebody and speak to them on their way to a destination or while they're doing something in the middle of an activity. It's like this word accost that I did a video on the other day. So the boss waylaid me on the way to lunch because he wanted to talk about a new project. I was waylaid by a woman doing a survey on my way to the bank. Okay, so it's when somebody stops you and they want to talk to you about something. Yeah, they accost you and they want you to do something. We can also use waylay, meaning to interrupt the progress or the course of something. So, for example, the travellers were waylaid by the storm, were delayed in a place. His career was waylaid by a scandal. Okay, so when you want to do something but you get stopped because you have to do something else, you are waylaid, yeah? We use this phrase, I was waylaid, very often as an excuse for being late. I'm sorry I was late. I was waylaid. Yeah? Something happened and I had to talk to somebody or go somewhere or do something else before I could come here. Yeah, so it's when you're interrupted doing something because you've got to do something else. It's really annoying, isn't it? So, he was waylaid by demonstrators on his way into Parliament. The lorry was waylaid by thieves on the road. He was waylaid by somebody wanting to talk to him. I was waylaid by a problem that cropped up and had very little time to finish my essay. So, to waylay, to interrupt and delay. Yeah, to waylay somebody, to stop them and talk to them or ask them for something or about something. Notice, to waylay is an irregular verb. Lay, laid, L-A-I-D, laid. Waylay, waylaid, waylaid. Okay? So, what about formality? I think it sounds ever so slightly formal, maybe 5.5, but I think you could use waylaid in an informal conversation in the pub. You might just say I was delayed or interrupted, but I also think you can use it in a very formal document. So, I don't know, the government's plans were waylaid by other problems. Okay? So, to waylay, to interrupt, is a good word, nice and flexible. So, next time somebody stops you and talks to you and you're busy, you're trying to do something else, you've been waylaid. Or if you arrive late somewhere because you had to do something else while you were coming, you say, I'm sorry, I was waylaid. I was waylaid by the boss. I was waylaid by something that cropped up. So, Your aim is to learn English. Don't let anything waylay you on your course to perfect English. There you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Waylay Waylaid.